Today we are in my backyard trying to make it look a little bit nicer, only because we have this space behind me that never grows grass. There's a giant tree, several trees above it, and it always stays muddy. We've tried planting grass and it just doesn't work. So today we are going to plant some ground cover and then cover that area over with some pine needles. And I want to show you that it's a very simple and easy DIY that you can do in just an hour or two in your own backyard. So here's what we'll do: plant and then cover. Watch our process. So we have the pine needles down and we have our plants down.
Japanese spurge.
Japanese spurge, that's what we put down, and they are for areas with shade, and you have to plant them 12 to 18 inches apart, which is what we did. And next we are going to get some bricks, some old bricks, and we're going to line this to create a flower bed. Now we didn't put down any black matting, so we'll probably have to pull weeds, but again, this is an area that really doesn't grow anything at all, so it's going to be very low maintenance. Being an 1800s house, that's why we're choosing to put bricks. So now we gotta go get the bricks and put those down, and we'll show you that next. So we've now finished our backyard. We had to take a little break because it got really cold here, but it is now finished. It was a simple makeover, just using a little bit of what's called pine straw and some greenery, and we also added some bricks. We bought some vintage bricks, some really old bricks from a local vendor here in our city that specializes in architectural details that go with the homes of this area. Our home is from the 1800s, so this seemed to make sense. And as you can see, it is complete. So here it is from one end to the other. And what's cool about the pine straw is you can always add in more. So as it starts to blow away, or as the squirrels start to maybe dig it away, we can always add more. So here's our back. And keep in mind, this is November, so in the spring it'll be even more lush. And we even did a section up here. Let's take a look at this. Super easy, and I think we did the whole thing for under $300 for sure. Thanks for watching Carolyn Braden's Turning the Ordinary into the Extraordinary.
Visit Carolyn'sBloomingCreations.com.